When preparing for a knee replacement surgery, you may be interested in learning how advanced technology will be used in your procedure. DePuy Synthes, a leader in orthopedics, offers the VELYS Robotic-Assisted Solution designed for digital precision in knee replacement to help you start moving again. Let's take a closer look at how the technology works. The system includes a robotic-assisted device, a high-speed camera, optical trackers, and data screens designed to help surgeons achieve the highest possible precision level. With the VELYS Robotic-Assisted Solution, surgeons are in control during the entire procedure. The device does not move or operate on its own. Your surgeon will start the procedure by making an incision in your knee. Next, they attach trackers to your knee, which work with the camera to gain the information needed to perform your procedure. From this information, the surgeon creates a 3D model of your knee. Your surgeon will move your leg back and forth to test the function of your knee. This will help assess your full leg alignment and soft tissue tension. During your procedure, your surgeon continually gathers data related to your knee to help them perform a precise knee replacement surgery personalized to your specific anatomy. This process helps your surgeon optimize the outcome with the use of data that's unique to you. Designed for precision, this advanced technology can help your surgeon visualize and predict the stability of your knee joint, find a favorable implant fit, and perform a highly accurate knee restoration. To restore your knee, the surgeon guides the robotic device to remove the damaged bone and cartilage in your knee, making sure it matches the surgical plan. The technology software is used to verify your final alignment and balance. The implant components are placed, and your surgeon will check the range of motion. Then your surgeon will remove the trackers and close the incision site. After the surgery is complete, your care team will work with you on developing a post-surgery recovery plan. For more information, ask your surgeon how the VELYS Robotic-Assisted Solution can help you start moving again.